Hey guys and dolls, welcome to the makeup community. My name's Chris. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out. We believe that makeup is for everybody, and that's kind of how this got started. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. It's called Parkinson's syndrome. And so I began this to show everybody that you can still do what you love even if you have some challenges. And also I feel a little more confident to go out and face the world if I feel like I look good. So if you love makeup, if you're a makeup pro, makeup maven, if you're new to makeup, please hit that subscribe button. And we're brand new, so spread the word. So today I have 2 new products to try out. We are going to try out the Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette, super cute, and the NARS Climax Mascara. I've heard really good things about this, so fingers crossed. So let's start with the eyeshadow. I think I'm going to use some of these colors. These are absolutely beautiful. Give you a little shot of that there. Look how pretty these are. So I got this for $13.99 at Ulta. Let me see what they say about this. Bring on wearable neutrals with bold soda pops of color from Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. A fresh take on the classic eyeshadow palette, these pigmented shades offer endless look possibilities. Softer hues to highlight, darker shades to amplify and define, and bright pops of soda pop colors for a bold look. Well, I think I'm going to use those bright shades of soda pop colors. So first, let me show that to you again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 6 shimmers. So it's a nice mix there, and on the top here you can see we've got some neutral colors, and on the bottom we have some color, and I think I'm going to play with the colors today. So I've already gone on my eyeshadow primer, and I am just going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I am going to use Ginger Ale, this pale shade right here. And I am going to sweep that all over my lid. Okay, there's a little bit of kick up in the pan, so hopefully that doesn't mean I get fallout on the cheeks. I hope not. And this just helps your eyeshadow blend better. And I want to give this a fair shot, so I am using the same exact thing that I normally would wear. The same shadow primer and everything. Alright. Well, I gotta say, that's really soft. I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty soft. It's going on nicely. Alright. So I am going to go in here with a crease brush, and let's do this beautiful orange shade. It's called Crushing. Probably saying like Orange Crush. Alright, let's see. I'm just going to put this in my crease and a little above. Kind of transition. Oh, okay. It's not super bright, which is a good thing for, you know, bright orange. But hopefully the other pops of colors are bright. It is blending very well. I gotta say, it does blend very well. I like it. I am putting it on the outer third, I think out of habit. It's going to be covered up, but I think that's just out of habit from doing a smoky eye so much lately. There we go. And I'm going a little higher on my lid today than just in my crease. So I really want to set that look. Oh, I like it. Okay, it builds really well. It builds very nicely. Okay, I am going to go into Grape Pop right there, and I am going to take a just flat shader brush, and I'm going to put that all over my lid and into the crease just a little bit. Oh, wow. Oh, that is pigmented. That is beautiful. I hope you guys can see that. That is gorgeous. I'm going to take this a little bit into the crease, not any higher than the crease. Oh, wow. Okay. Color me impressed. That is very pretty. I thought with the orange that maybe it wouldn't be so pigmented. But wow, this really is. I like it. I really like that. Oh my gosh. That is very pretty. Okay. Should we do blue raspberry or cherry cola? I think I'm going to go with blue raspberry. Why not? So, see that blue one right there. And it looks like it has some glitter in it. So I'm just going to put that kind of in the outer V here, just to deepen it up a little bit. And I'm also going to use it underneath my eyes. Oh, that is a very, it's very pigmented. Let's see if it blends. It blends pretty well. Yeah. It blends pretty well. I'm not used to seeing, I'm such a neutrals girl. I'm not used to seeing much color. If you hear the sniffing in the background, that's my doggie. I just bribed her with treats, so she's smelling for more treats. Get a little here. I'll just wipe that off. Oh, that is, okay. That is very pretty, and it does blend pretty well. I had to blend it a little more, you know, obviously it's not a neutral, so. All right. I'm just going to pat a little bit of the Grape Pop right over top, just to make sure that they're blended into each other. I'm not going to cover it up, but just to make sure there's a nice blend there, especially because it is color. I'm probably going to play with the neutrals more. Honestly, I'll probably wear the neutrals more, but it's fun to play with color. Alright, I am just going to take a flat brush, just a flat liner brush, and I'm going to put some of that blue raspberry underneath. Carry that under here. Make sure it connects. All right. Let's put a little highlight on, shall we? I'm taking a different flat shader brush, and I am going to go into, let's go into Tonic. That one right there. It's a nice pretty shimmer. So I'm going to take that and put it right in the middle here, just to give a little brightness. And let's put it under our arch. Oh, I do like that. Shoot, I might grab for this with other palettes just for the highlight color here. Alright, pat it down just to blend it into that orange. Alright, so the eye is done. Well, let's move on to mascara, shall we? Okay, so this is what the outer carton looks like. And I got this at Sephora. Let's see what they say about this. So it retails for $24. And it says, an innovative mascara that delivers buildable volume and intense black color in a lightweight, flexible formula that won't clump or smudge. NARS Lash Moisture Complex allows for a whipped, creamy formula that lifts and builds without clumping or smudging. Lashes feel soft, never heavy or stiff. The exclusive full-body brush has ribbed bristles that capture and coat each lash for an intense effect. Lashes are smoothly wrapped from root to tip with blackened pigments for rich color and bold dimension. All right, let's open this puppy up and take a look. Oh, I definitely won't lose this in my makeup kit. Got bright red. Take a look at the brush. Okay, so it's a kind of a natural bristle, fluffy brush. I'm going to curl my lashes. I know everybody's going to hold their breath. The girl with the trimmers is curling her lashes. There we go. Let's try this puppy on. Alright, it is definitely building some volume. I like that. So far I like it. We'll have to see how it wears. I'll have to get back to you guys on that one. It is really adding some volume, and it's dark. I definitely wouldn't wear this on a day when I was trying to look natural. But honestly, I don't do those days all that often in the fall. Now, I do neutrals all the time, but not necessarily the, oh, I don't have makeup on look that much in the fall, because I love the bold, rich lips and, you know, the spicy eyes. And yes, I know, back to neutrals. All right. So I have got to say, so far, I like them both. I think that the Soda Pop palette is, oh, and I forgot to mention it smells like Soda Pop. The Soda Pop palette, I like it so far. I'm probably going to use the neutrals more, and maybe I'll do a video with the neutrals from it. I feel kind of weird with color on my eyes, to be honest. I feel like I'm back in the 80s, but I wanted to play with color a little bit more, so I do like it. I think the colors are smooth, blend easily. Definite thumbs up. And the mascara, so far I like it. We'll have to see how it wears. I'll have to get back to you on it. Usually I'm more of a drugstore mascara kind of girl, to be honest with you, or I get the travel sizes of the higher end mascaras, because by the time you get through the travel size, it's time to throw it away anyway. I'm not going to get through this whole thing. Yeah, I switch mascaras out all the time, so anyway, I like it so far. It does what it says. Alright, so that is it for today's video. If you like makeup, if you're a Makeup Maven, Makeup Pro, if we can pick your brain. If you're new to makeup, that's great, because a lot of my requests are back to basics. So a perfect place to be. Or if you just like talking about makeup, please subscribe. And we are new, so spread the word. And we will make the makeup community a really fun, positive place to be. Alright, that's it. I will talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.